Welcome to WindowGen, and in today's tutorial I will show you how you can append the WindowGen to your scene and how to adjust it for your needs. So let's get started. I will delete everything in this scene. Currently I'm using Blender 3.62, as you can see, but WindowGen also works with the higher versions like 4.0 and 4.1. So let's get started. To append WindowGen to your scene, click on File, then click on Append. Navigate to the scene where your WindowGen is located. And here's WindowGen. Double click on it, move to Collection, and choose Generator Append Me. Click on Append. As you can see, currently everything that is needed for the generator is imported to your scene. You can easily disable collections profiles and furniture, as they collect model geometry that are currently used for the WindowGen itself. Let's choose our WindowGen, and now I show you how you can use it parameters to change it for your needs. I will move it here and make it a little bit bigger. So let's start from the profiles. Currently there's 5 built-in profiles that you can change. I will rotate the window a little bit so you can see. Let's use like 15. I will change it, and as you can see, it changes for the different type. Width and height allows you to change the window. Currently, as you can see, the height is going from the bottom of the window. In the case if you need origin to be positioned in the center, there's an option origin in center, and now if I will change the height, it will be positioned in the center. Let's break it down to the 1 meter. Frame only allows you to disable sashes, and there will be only frame, so no sashes in case you needed it. Realize instances. For that, allow me to add another window and spreadsheet. So as you can see now, I'll choose it. It's only one instance. Let me bring back our Sash. So it's 3 instances. If you are going to apply your modifier, you will definitely need to realize instances. Otherwise, it will apply nothing. If you have a lot of windows in your scene and you need to optimize your scene, you can uncheck it and leave it like that, so it will be a little bit more optimized and won't be as resourceful as it could be. Next, let's move to the rotation settings. You can change the rotation of the sash, and also you can change the direction. You can change from left to right, and you definitely can rotate your window, as you can see, easily, just like that. And also tilt rotation. I will move the window like that. So let's tilt it. And as you can see, I keep increasing the degrees, but it's not increasing in the window itself. That's because currently it is calculated by these scissors. So the manufacturer of the furniture that I used in this generator, it has some limitations to the opening. So your windows always will be grounded to the real life, and in case you will overdo it, it won't be looking unnatural. So let's keep it to 0. Let's move to the handles. Currently there's 4 built-in handles, and as you can see, I will change them accordingly right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's change it to handle 2. Custom handle height allows you to manipulate where's your handle positioned in case you need it to be custom. I'll move it automatically, so it will be positioned in the middle of the sash based on the height of the sash. Handle rotation rotates handle. But not only the handle, I will show you. Just let me turn the window for probably maybe 20 degrees. So look at this zapf, the mechanism that's closing the window. As you can see, I rotate it and it also moves. So in case you need animation or something like that, it is here. Let me close it. Glazing. Currently there is 2 types of glazing, triple and double. Now I have a triple glazing, so there is 3 glasses and 2 spacers. Double glazing is just 2 glasses and 1 spacer. Let's leave it like that. Impost settings. Impost allow you to introduce a vertical post to your window, so you can divide your window in half or in whatever you need. So the width of this section, so where is no sash, you can control it with this parameter. Let's leave it like, I don't know, probably like 3. Left and right sash allows you to change position of your sash. 1 to sashes allows you to introduce the second sash. If middle section is unchecked, you have just 2 windows, and we can manipulate rotation of each sash independently. So turn rotation becomes the rotation of the right sash. Let me turn it for 20 degrees, and left turn rotation accordingly, let's do it like 45 degrees. And handle rotation, the same. Let me do it like 90 degrees for the right sash, and left hand rotation accordingly will rotate left handle also 90 degrees if I do it, or 180, whatever you need. Let's turn it to 0, and this is to 0 as well. Middle section. It will introduce the section in between 2 sashes. You can also manipulate the width of it, but if you use Impost Centered, it will automatically calculate position of the imposts in the 1/3 of the window and the 2/3 of the window. And the same if I have only one sash, so it will be in the setter no matter how I will change this parameter. Next parameter is Stulp. Stulp, it's double windows, but there is one leading sash and one that are not leading. So I will demonstrate you the difference between Impost and Stulp. As you can see, there is nothing in between the 2 sashes, so if you need the sashes to be opened wide and you don't need any impost here, you can choose Stulp option. Probably the most important thing here is that all the windows are unwrapped, and unwrapping is automatic. So as you can see, now currently I choose UV material for the sashes, and the same is working with the glass material, so I will apply it. As you can see, yeah, we have pretty good unwrapping, and I can increase it and will change automatically. So not only this is unwrapped, but also unwrapping is happening to the furniture. Let me demonstrate it for you. So currently, as you can see, there is no material. I mean, no UV material. Now, if I change, for example, height, you can see it's unwrapping automatically, no matter what. Some of the elements are pre-unwrapped, like this angle elements, like handles. Handles also unwrapped, and also hinge color material also pre-unwrapped. So that's all for the tutorial, and hope you liked it and enjoyed it. And if you have any suggestions or questions about WindowGen, please feel free to comment in the section below. See you!